Hello everyone, my name is Duct Tape FPV, and I'll be collaborating with Just Hack It to bring you guys some awesome content. And today we have another product from Speedybee. This is the 5.8 analog module. When you open the package, this is what's going to be inside: your patch antenna, the adapter for it, your Omni antenna, and your 5.8 analog Speedybee module. Alright, let's talk about the features. Very first thing I'd like to point out is the large OLED display. And next to that, you have a 5-way button: up, down, left, right, or press to select. This is how you will toggle through your settings or set up your channels. And this module does have two receivers, and it takes the signal from both of those receivers and fuses them together to bring you the best possible image outcome. Now, if we're going to compare this module with Rapidfire, performance-wise, it's almost impossible to tell the difference. If we were going to compare this with Steady View from SkyZoom, this one is by far better. Night and day difference. So in case you want to have a good performing analog setup, then this is the module you should get. There's really no point left in buying Rapidfire or Steady View with this module hitting the market. So this is how I'm using this. This is the Speedybee 5.8 module plugged in with my DJI V2 goggles. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be using to do a range test. This is the Modula 7. It's going to be on a 1S pack, and I'm sorry guys, my batteries are terrible.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, the taste of berries on my tongue, sipping on a feeling, sunny's got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watch another sunset, wishing on a shooting star. Ooh, I know that it has to end. Ooh, maybe we could just pretend.